quail eggs from the supermarket. Not having high hopes, but I'm giving it a try for $5 for 2 dozen. Not much to lose. So we'll see what happens. So it's around $50. As an egg turner. Egg turner works. There is my secondary hygrometer, thermometer in there. It's okay. They're within 0.4, 0.5 degrees, so I think it will be okay. And now to inserting the eggs. Okay, out of the 2 dozen, 3 were cracked, and not for me. And there are 21 in there, and these are store-bought supermarket eggs. Usually I buy for my own consumptions quail eggs that come from Ontario, which is kind of like crazy all the way out to the west coast. But these only come from Alberta, so I thought if I try it, I will try it with those. However, the other type from Ontario, I actually found kind of like fertilization marks on the egg when I had some hard-boiled eggs, and I found it there. I know it sounds gross, but I grew up on a farm, so I don't care. And I know those would have worked. However, we're trying these guys first, see if anything happens. So see you in 18 days. And this morning there is a pip in the egg, right there. Okay.
Are you singing a song?
Your little eyes closed. So here they are. 8 out of 24. Not a bad, considering that these came out of the supermarket cooler. So now I did that for a reason, because I do want quail. I got a taste for the eggs, and they're also very healthy. So I have been eating them for around 5 months, and I really like the flavor. I like them better than chicken eggs. And then I saw some posts that people had actually incubated some from supermarket eggs, and I did a research, or did my research on it, and it turns out that quail will only lay eggs when they have a rooster with them. So that's why all those supermarket, or let's put say industrial production quail, have a rooster with them, and that's why the eggs are fertile. Now, in my opinion, because I mean they're transported thousands of kilometers. These eggs came from Alberta, and I live in BC, but there's also some from Ontario available here. So they're transported over thousands of kilometers. They're collected and stored for probably weeks. And so in my mind, there is the ingredients of life in the egg, but there's nothing else happened unless you add warmth and care. So that's my theory on that. So yeah, that was so far a success. And like I said, I wanted to have some anyways, so the guy's gonna be with me for the rest of their life.